Okay, this is going to teach you how to format your paper. If you're looking at this, then this means you need to double space it. You can either highlight your text or click Edit and select all. Then, in order to double space, go up here to the arrow with the 3 lines next to it. If you hover over it, it will say line spacing. Click line spacing. All your papers will need to be double spaced. So go down to double and click double, and this will double space your paper. Your paper also needs to be in Times New Roman font. Again, you can highlight or click select all, go up to font, and find Times New Roman, and it will change your entire paper. While you're here, don't forget to indent your paper. Don't do this by pushing the space bar. Do this by pushing the tab button on the left-hand side of your keyboard.